I wanna hold my hand inside you. I wanna take the breath that's true. I look to you when I see nothing. I look to you to see the truth. Fade into you. Strange you never knew. Fade I think it's strange you never knew. Hey guys, I'm Vasco and today we're doing a pretty simple but still very cool song, Fade Into You by Mazzy Star. I'll show you how I'm playing it 2 half steps down than the original, because that way the chords are more beginner friendly, and if you want to play along with the original recording you can just put a capo on the 2nd fret and play with the chords that I'm about to show you right now. So grab your high G or low G, it doesn't really matter for this tutorial, and let's get into it. Okay, for the most part we're just playing G to D, which I'm playing with one finger like this, and then to A minor twice, all right? And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, down, up, twice on every chord, all right? And 4 times on A minor, actually, because A minor is twice as long. That's the main part of the song. I look to you when I see nothing. I look to you to see the truth. But also, while we are holding A minor, you can sometimes play here on the A string 2nd fret. All right? And then when we go to the chorus, we basically repeat the same thing 2 times, and after that there is 1 C that we are playing. All right, so let's see how this goes. Fade into you. Strange you never knew. Fade. And now to C, back to the, I think it's strange you never knew. So that's the one specific thing of this song. And we're using the chorus part for the solo as well, where the guitar is doing something like this. I'll whistle it. And you can imitate something similar with the strings of the ukulele. While grabbing the G chord, you can do C to A string, C, A, and then on the D chord, C, E string, C string, E string, and then on the A minor, you are leaving the middle finger here on the 2nd fret of the E string, and then removing it. All right? and on where is the C chord. Again, C, E, C, E. Pretty much this sums up my tutorial for Fade Into You. Thank you very much for watching. That was the simplest one in a long time. So let me know if you would like to see more simple tutorials or you would prefer a little bit something more challenging. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Bye. Look at the beautiful sky.